Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In this today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how we can remove emoji from our pictures using AI. Okay, let's get into it guys. First thing first, you need to go to your browser and then you have to search for this website, cleanup.pictures. And after you have found this website, you can open it and you can upload your pictures to this website. You can click here or drag an image file. I'm going to click here and you can choose the picture you want to remove the emoji from, and I'm gonna go with this picture and we can click on open. Okay, and I'm just going to select this one and then we can brush the emoji like this to remove it from our picture. Okay, and you can click on this icon. Alright, and as you can see that the emoji has been removed. But wait, I'm going to make it smoother. Okay, now it's done. And if you want to download the result or the photo, you can click on the download option and then the photo will be saved to your device. That's so easy, right? Okay guys, and that's how we can remove emoji from pictures using AI. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and see you in the next video.